Following several hours of heavy rainfall on Wednesday, the smart city of Agartala experienced significant waterlogging. The incident resulted in numerous residents and vehicles being stranded in various locations throughout the city. Knee-deep water accumulated on several roads across the city, with water seeping into the lanes and by lanes. Vehicular movement in Agartala came to a temporary standstill because of the waterlogging, causing people to fail in reaching their destinations on time. Once again, the citizens of Agartala witnessed the skeletal and inadequate state of the city's drainage system. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.